What if everything you've been told about the beginning of the universe is wrong? According to Taigetan information shared through Swaru.org, the Big Bang never happened. That's right, no fire explosion, no single moment of cosmic birth, no point from which all space and time erupted. Instead, what we call the universe is part of a far greater, eternal, multi layered field of consciousness. There was no start to the cosmos because time itself is not linear. Space is not empty. Let me explain. On Earth, the Big Bang Theory is based on one key observation: redshift. The idea that galaxies are moving away from us, stretching the light they emit into longer, redder wavelengths. But here's the twist. The Taigetans say this redshift doesn't prove expansion, it proves resistance. Light isn't being stretched because space is expanding, it's being drained as it travels through the universe. Space isn't a vacuum, it's a fluid like ether, a high density medium that light must push through. Over great distances, that light loses energy. It gets tired. That's why it shifts to red, not because it's flying away, but because it's fading. This is called the tired light theory. We just went over this in the last video, and the Taigetans claim it's far closer to the truth than what modern physics allows. So where did the Big Bang idea really come from? My sources say that the Big Bang is a fabricated theory, one that fits conveniently within the limited perception of Earth's mainstream science, but not the true structure of the universe. It was promoted to reinforce the illusion of randomness and chaos, to disconnect humans from the idea of an eternal, cosmic, conscious cosmos, and to trap science in a linear box. Because the real universe is not a clock, it's not a machine, it's a living field of energy, thought, and vibration, endlessly flowing, transforming and rebirthing across layers of frequency and density. There are no edges, there is no beginning, there is only now expressed in infinite variation. The universe is more like a conscious sea of timelines, a field of awareness layered into densities from the physical to the astral to the etheric. Stars, galaxies, even time itself, they're all projections from this universal mind. What you perceive is filtered through your frequency, your consciousness, and your alignment. In this view, creation is happening constantly, not just once. The Big Bang is replaced with something far more elegant, a fractal reality, in which energy becomes form and form dissolves back into energy over and over again. The implications are massive. If the Big Bang never happened, if the universe never began, then we are not small, insignificant products of chance. We are eternal sparks of cosmic intelligence, creators within the creation. The real question isn't when did it begin, it's why were we told it had to? If you enjoy this breakdown of Taigetan cosmology, make sure to subscribe, stay curious, and keep questioning the stars, because the truth might be far older than time itself.